The Senate investigation into the alleged overpriced Makati City Hall parking building should be stopped and instead be brought to the office of the Ombudsman, according to Buhay Party List Representative Lito Atienza.
Meron tayong ombudsman, meron tayong commission on audit. Why don't we allow these agencies, unless we're saying already, these agencies are useless? No, but I still believe in the COA, I still believe in the ombudsman. Pabayaan natin sila mag-imbestiga para hindi mahaluan ng personal na politika. Senator Cayetano is a declared candidate for the presidency. Why should Vice President Binay, Vice President of the land who is impeachable? Kung may kasalanan niya, pwede siyang ma-impeach. Go to a forum where the investigators are declared candidates. Senator Fernandez and Senator Cayetano. Eh, napakahina naman ng kanyang common sense. Kung pupunta siya ron, to be pilloried, to be prosecuted, not investigated, prosecuted. Let the constitutional bodies function and not the politicians investigating each other.
Albay Governor Joey Salceda, meanwhile, also said that it would be more fair to the Binay camp if there will just be an impeachment complaint.
There's enough accusations already, and there are enough, I think, so why don't we just go to the House and start an impeachment? So at least is how, for the sake of the country, we need a closure.
An impeachment process is certainly preferred to a Senate investigation, because it has a closure.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, however, continued to call on Binay to attend the hearing and answer the allegations on the said overpriced Makati City Hall parking building.
Ito pong si Vice President, his Vice President, he was mayor, he cannot say sobra politika o politika lang yan. So kung ayaw niya tanungin siya, wag siya sa politika. So yun lang naman ang ko sa ating Vice President. Under oath, sumagot siya.
Aris Joseph Hegina, Inquirer.net.